sequence A is for alternating pattern. Look how red and blue blocks repeat perfectly.
B is for big, small pattern. See how the big and small circles repeat.
C is for color pattern. Yellow and green blocks repeat in a fun sequence. D is for dot pattern. Follow the dots as they repeat along the path. E is for easy pattern. See how simple shapes repeat again and again. F is for flower pattern. Look at these flowers repeating in a row. G is for geometric pattern. Triangles and squares repeat neatly. H is for heart pattern. Watch the hearts repeat beautifully. I is for image pattern. Can you spot the repeating pictures? J is for jump pattern. Watch them jump on repeating tiles. K is for kind shape pattern. Soft shapes repeat in order. L is for line pattern. See how lines repeat in fun ways. M is for mixed pattern. Colors and shapes repeat together. N is for number pattern. Watch the numbers repeat in sequence. O is for object pattern. Look at the toys repeating in order. P is for picture pattern. Can you see the repeating cards? Q is for quick pattern. Let's sort the objects fast. R is for repeat pattern. See how things repeat again and again. R is for repeat pattern. See how things repeat again and again. T is for tile pattern. Tiles repeat in a colorful order. U is for up, down pattern. Watch the arrows repeat up and down. V is for visual pattern. Bright lights and shapes repeat beautifully. W is for wave pattern. Watch the waves repeat gently. X is for X-shaped pattern. Look at the X shapes repeating. Y is for yarn pattern. Colors repeat in the yarn sequence. Z is for zigzag pattern. See the zigzag lines repeating. Great job, friends! You learned the ABC of patterns. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more fun learning. It's time for ABC GROK. Learning letters, having fun. ABC GROK.